Okay, hold hands. Ano makabuo tayo ng circle? Ayan. Okay, very good. Okay, ready na tayo ha? Ganito gagawin natin. Okay, meron tayo dito 4 blankets. Okay, ano yung colors ng ating blanket? What's the color? Blue. Okay, what about this one? What's the color? Red. Okay, what about this one? Violet. Okay, and finally, green. Okay, ganito gagawin natin ha. Pag narinig nyo yung music, iikot tayo sa mga blankets. Pag nag-stop yung music, ibig sabihin, it's time for you to sleep. You get your blanket to cover yourself and you sleep. Okay? Pwedeng mag-share sa mga blankets, alright? Okay, let's start. Music please. Here we go, music. Okay. Nag-stop yung music, ibig sabihin, time na para matulog. Everybody go under the blanket to cover yourselves and remember you can share the blankets with the other children. Okay, nandiyan na ba kayo sa ilalim ng blankets? Kasi, okay, pipili ako ng blanket. Pag nasa ilalim kayo ng blanket na yun, it means you're out of the game. We're going to say goodbye to, babay na, sa mga little children na nasa ilalim ng blue blanket. Okay, sino nasa blue? Bye-bye. Oh, don't worry kasi meron kayong prize. Ayan, thank you. Okay, tatanggalin na natin ngayon yung mga nasa blue. Okay, upo na tayo. Red, violet, and green. Round 2 na. Okay, you're ready? Lagay dito sa gitna.
Hey, doon ka pa,
okay,
doon ka pa, di ka pa tanggal.
Hold hands. Okay, hold hands ulit. Okay, hold hands tayo. Okay, this time, sinong marunong mag-jump? Okay, let's jump around. Let's go music. Okay, everybody come on. Time na ulit para matulog. But please go under the blanket to cover yourselves. And remember, pwedeng mag-share sa mga blankets. So, pili tayo ulit ng blanket. Babay na sa mga little children na nasa ilalim ng red. Pili na sa red. Bye-bye. Oh, don't worry kasi ayan, meron ka namang prize. So, sit down tayo. Ayan. Papunan na lang tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 na lang tayo ha. Last round na to. Pipili na tayo ng winner. Okay, let's go. Music. Here we go. Naku, final round na tayo. Ibig sabihin, pumili na kayo ng blanket kasi pipili na ako ng winner. Congratulations, you are the winner. The little children na nasa ilalim ng violet. Si XP. So, isa lang yung winner natin. Clap your hands for XP. Yay! Oh, don't worry kasi lahat naman kayo meron consolation prize. Okay, para kay XP, wow! Look at the really big prize. Okay, so let's give them their prizes. Ayan.